Hey guys, so I'm super excited to be showing you guys how I style my TWA and my 4C natural hair today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I'm doing now is just rubbing some water throughout my hair, and then I'm going in with Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. And you can get this from Target or any beauty supply store, and I'm just rubbing this throughout my hair and making sure that it saturates my curls. It really activates the curls. And then I'm going in with the Camilla Rose Curl Maker. Y'all, this gel is super bomb and I love it. Next product I use is some Eco Styler gel in the green bottle. The green jar is what I use. I think that's the Aloe Vera Eco Styler gel. I love Eco Styler gel, and it really just allows me to be able to manipulate my hair and curly, and so I enjoy utilizing it. So here what I'm trying to do is go ahead and style my edges, but as you guys can see, I tried to pick out my sideburns, and this is what I usually start with, and curling those first. But what I realized when I was doing this was my hair was entirely too wet. And so eventually what you will see in this video is me going back with a towel and drying my edges off, so I'm able to lay down my actual edges. But what I like to do when my hair isn't as curly throughout, and especially in the front, I like to go through and do the finger coils to make sure that the front of my hair is at least really curly and looks like the rest of my hair. And I like to do this just throughout the front, just so that at least my front is curled. If nothing else, the front of my hair is curled, okay? And that's why I pretty much do like the first 2 rows. Usually when I'm like twisting my hair around or whatever, it curls eventually by itself, or sometimes I'll use a sponge. My hair has gotten a little bit too long to utilize the sponge, so this is the process that I use, and it works. What you'll see here is me going through my hair and tapping it with a towel because my hair was just entirely too wet. And this is before I do my edges and begin to go ahead and lay them down for the slay, okay? And then after I'm done laying them down, I utilize a little comb brush. I don't know what to call it. Edge brush. That's what I use to style them, and I try to use the actual comb part to do that. So my edges are done, and it's time to go ahead and slay and lay these baby hairs down, y'all. So what I do is I take an elastic band and I lay my edges down, and then I go ahead and complete my face, get my makeup done, and pick out my outfit. And then by the time I do all of that, it's time for my edges to be, they should be dried by then, okay? They should be dried. They should be, ready to be slayed, ready to be sprayed down if that's what you choose to do, and ready for you to go ahead and head out the door or do what you gotta do. So now what I'm doing is just picking out those curls, those coils that we made earlier, and this pretty much just completes my whole entire look, y'all. This wash and go is just bomb. I've been loving it, and it's awesome for the summer. So if you just cut your hair, girl, you can definitely do this, okay? Thank you guys for watching.